Hi, I'm Ryan from Romania and today I will present you how to create a Fortnite map in creative mode. To go in the creative mode, you press the triangle button. And now we're waiting. We're waiting. You can go in your map to create your constructions. Wait a second. What I can do? You see the corner left when I picture with a button. When I hold the triangle button, I go in the interface with more button. I fly, I can delete, I can do more. When I press this button, I go here. I can select silo. I press circle. I can select this here, scout tower, this here, and this here. Okay. And what I do? I hold the L2 button, and I press circle. Press circle and I put the construction right there. And with this construction I can do that. I did it. I buy construction. Okay. When I press this button down, I can select this, a garage. I can go there. This is a garage with a car, with more. I delete. Okay. Next is this castle. I don't know. This castle. No. Wait. Delete. Okay, and the final is this. Yes, it's so big. Yes, it's I don't know, a base. I don't know, you know, base. And I delete. And that's all for now. I can but it's not all. When I go in creative at weapons, I can add weapons at chest or devices or more or all. Okay. I add infinity blade. I can add a flashlight. I can add a pistol. And I go at the chest and I create or a chest or a llama. I create a chest. I don't know where is the chest. Right there. And there are the chests. The items. I have the sword. Pistol and flashlight. You know, flashlight? Oh, the sword is so clean. You know, I can fly. Okay. And a llama. Wait. Okay. And I create now a llama. Here is llama. Where are? I shoot. And this is the flashlight. Okay, that's it. Small arms like a pistol do small damage, but a rocket launcher It's a big arm and do big damage. Let's create a chest. And there is. I have a rocket. And the rocket launcher do this. Wow! And that's all. In Fortnite game, it's a cool game because you can exercise dance styles. What I press is or this button and I select the dance, or I hold this button. Look at this, look at the dance.